Hey there, Devine Tech Solutions here. How you guys going? Customer states laptop was too slow. It's already taken 1 minute and 50 seconds to boot so far. We're going to change that. This is a Crucial BX500 1TB SSD. And you guys can find these at any of your available retailers, or you can also directly buy one from myself. Because I'll just seek out a supplier and buy one from there. This laptop has been flat for ages. Obviously it has a bad battery. It's also got a bad drive. The intention behind this is to burn a Blu-ray. This is a HP BT10N. You will not find this drive anywhere. First of all, yes. Right, yes. I'll go on to put this disk drive in. Blu-ray drives require a USB 3.0 port. And the place I'm going to go to get my image, or my effective cleanup image. Oop. Whoops, that's on me. I forgot to choose the Ubuntu image here. And yeah, you do see another Blu-ray drive right here. This is a Crazy Victor Blu-ray drive. It's a Blu-ray player. Let me put in my network ID here. This laptop is Wi-Fi 5 compatible, which is hilarious. And I'll put the video on pause and be right back. Much better. Alright, so we're going to look for Ubuntu. I'm going to put Ubuntu on this system because I'm a Linux person. I don't mind using multiple different distributions, but Ubuntu is the best for work. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to just close that. Like I said, close that. And close this. The Intel driver and supporter system. Yeah, okay, alright. Has just notified us of driver updates. That's awesome. The Linux firmware utility service will also update the drivers on the system once the Ubuntu program gets installed. Ubuntu history gets installed, pardon me. So I'm going to download a really old version of Ubuntu just to teach you guys how to download. Well, that's huge. I'm going to casually ignore that. There we go. Get Ubuntu. Oh, here we go. Mirrors. That's where I went to get my copy of Ubuntu. I want to show you guys how to properly install Ubuntu on a laptop like this, which is old. It may still run the latest version of Ubuntu, which is 24.05 at the moment. I'll be right back while I get that. And the version of Ubuntu we're looking for is the one from 2019 and was last updated on the 3rd of April 2019, I believe it was, at 11:52 p.m. And that was for Ubuntu 14.04.6. Let's wait until it finishes downloading. Okay, HP BT10N drive out, Crazy Victor Blu-ray drive in. I need to format this disc. I don't think this Crazy Victor drive can erase discs. Hold on. Let me put in the HP BT10N and see if that works. There you go. You guys get a bit of a tutorial on how to install Intel drivers while you're at it for your Wi-Fi and your audio or Bluetooth systems. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, you need the Intel Support Assistant downloaded and installed on an old laptop like this. That way you can flash new firmware to the drivers and the devices within. This is a single board computer with a replaceable RAM stick and hard drive, that's all it is. However, it's pretty good for work purposes because it's a 4-core, 4-thread system. This thing has a base clock of 1.1 GHz with an all-core boost up to 1.8. Has a 2-core boost up to 2.2 GHz. So double the frequency. Good on you, Intel, for making a Celeron disaster that is actually good. Sorry, let me rephrase that. Good on you, Intel, for making a CPU that is actually good. For once. For a Celeron D. Disaster. Celeron N3450. Oof. Also say hello to Jack, and Jake in the background, as you can see. And now we're going to reboot. So, I'll be right back. Okay, it's preparing to configure. Okay, it seems it has been stuck in this configuration for a long time, so I'm going to just, That's better. It should not take that long to configure Windows. It's either done it or it hasn't. I'll be right back. It seems to be booting after a forced power off. Hey, look at that, it's configuring Windows on boot. Hey, look at that, it's booted. And yes, that is the name of my customer, my brother. And by the way, this one almost got penalized by debt collection. If y'all don't want this to happen to you, check out Brody's debt collections in the description below. And I'm back. I'm going to finish off the driver installation tutorial at the same time of the Ubuntu installation here with this. So first up, we're going to write an image file to a disk. That's the top left corner here. I'm going to hold the camera now, ladies and gents. You want to choose this option right here. Write image file to a disk. We want to select a file. In my case, it's Ubuntu. Oh crap, looks like the connection died. I've already put in my details, so I can just connect. There we go. I'm going to go to downloads. I'm going to select Ubuntu 14.04.6. I'm going to hit open. And we're going to write this disk image. And we're going to tell it to verify the disk straight after it's been written. And I'll be back once all the installations are completed. Installing the Bluetooth and wireless driver. And that's the image burned. Almost done with the Bluetooth wireless setup. And about 3 seconds later it was done. Okay, that's the drivers up to date for the Intel devices. Let's install Ubuntu on this thing. Disk image is being verified at this time. And once we're done burning, we're going to switch to the Crazy Victor drive because it's much quieter. And I like it. And the Crazy Victor Blu-ray drive is literally a CD/DVD burner and writer and a Blu-ray player. So that means I can install stuff from Blu-ray discs from it. Pretty cool, huh? Operation successfully completed. That means the disk is verified, and we're going to switch to the Crazy Victor, and we're going to install and update Linux. Much quieter. Let's go. Time to say bye-bye to Windows and hello to Ubuntu. This system will be shut down, flipped over, and its drive will be removed and replaced with this crucial VX500. Old Western Digital Blue out. Crucial BX550 in. Okay. Now it'll obviously complain that there is no installation media. That's okay. We've got one inserted. It's just in the shape of a Blu-ray drive. So we'll just wait for it to complain and we'll get back. I'll get back to you. Might have to look into this because it's not booting drives. And we're back. Woohoo! Let's go. Look at that. Ubuntu 14.06 LTS on the hell camera? Focus. Anyway, Ubuntu 14.06 LTS running on an Acer Aspire ES15. Let's go. Alright, OEM install for manufacturer. No, install Ubuntu, please. Alright. I'll let you know once we get there because it's a slow machine to boot. Huh, I just heard a chime. Look at that. Boom. Alright, try Ubuntu without installing, I guess. Or is that OEM install? No, just try Ubuntu without installing. Let's try Ubuntu without installing. It's got plenty of RAM and it's got plenty of cores. And it looks like it doesn't like Ubuntu systems. Let's try turning back on Secure Boot and see if that works. Okay, Secure Boot enabled. Let's see if this works. And we're in. Let's see if it boots this time around. Let's try OEM install for manufacturers. And I'll get back to you when it decides to boot. Okay, the reason why it wasn't working before is because it had no video driver. Stupid! Let the stupid continue. But also let the smart continue that I made the correct decision to actually grab one with a driver. Thumbs up! Okay, ladies first, here we go. Let's see if it boots. Ooh, wrong one. Okay, don't care, eat. Alright. Got a boot logo. No bootable device was found. Not bootable. It has no EFI partition. Okay. This is a different screen than what you guys are used to. This is Linux Mint Debian Edition, and I have my dinner cooking in the microwave. So, start Linux Mint compatibility mode. Wow. Look. Get the hell out of town! Smash that like button. It boots! Yes! Let's go! Anyway, the Bean Tech Solutions has done it again. And this took a long time, by the way, ladies and gents. A really long time. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to you guys once I've gotten to the installer. There you have it. Linux Mint in compatibility mode with older hardware. Glory days to you, you legend. I wonder if you're still alive, man. I'd buy you a damn beer. Alright, let's install Debian Edition. Why do I have no mouse? I have no mouse. And okay. Okie dokie, let's okay, let's install Linux Mint. It's got no mouse driver. It's not detecting the mouse pad. There we go. Welcome to Linux Mint Debian Edition. Gonna have me some Thai green curry while I'm at it. Thank you, Clover. Shout outs to the carriers that look after this business and me. Let's pull up a stool. Okay, this program will ask some questions. Let's go. My English is English Australia. My time zone is definitely not America. I'll reconfigure that later. For now, we're just going to hit next. We use the English US keyboard. I'm going to call this DBTS. We call this laptop Work 1, Work Group A. And we're going to pick a username, DBTS 2022, sorry, 2025. And we'll just call it DBTS. I'm going to pause the video while I create a password. And there's that. I'm just going to go back here real quick. So we're going to do an automated installation. Obviously it'll wipe the data. I'm going to hit yes. I'm going to hit next. And I'm going to hit group install. And this will be done. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. We have installed Linux Mint on an Acer Aspire ES15 from 2014 on an SSD in compatibility mode with 2016 hardware. Yum. This Thai curry. Spicy, but very good. Wait until you see the end. I want to show you how I installed this. Well, how I was able to boot and install this at the same time. Alright, I'm going to put the video on pause while it installs. I'll be back. Almost done. Just has to do a little configuration in the system directories. I'll bring you guys back once it's done. Okay, that's going through final configuration. Now, I thought I might just give you guys the end of the video here. I need to emphasize that you need to have secure boot disabled in order for this to work. In an Acer notebook like this, you need to match the F2 key until you enter your BIOS's password. Drop that guy in, and you have entered your BIOS. Disable secure boot by going to the boot section and setting the boot to UEFI and leaving it be. I was just keeping an eye on the installer there. Sorry to space out on you like that. Set the USB drive that you intend to use as the boot media. Boot from the installer. Oh, well, sorry, hang on. Let's rewind a bit after disabling secure boot. Oh no, I think we went past that. Oh yeah, we did not go past that because I forgot a crucial step. Set the drive as a bootable media, which you've done, but press F10, left, then enter. Basically, F10, yes, and save. Once the system boots up, you'll be prompted to just check up the install there again. You'll be prompted to install Linux at the grub bootloader. Do it. Because that's the goal. This one has Cinnamon, the Cinnamon desktop interface. Because I do like the Cinnamon desktop interface. It looks exactly like Windows, except it's not actually Windows. It's Linux. But that's basically the gist of it. But if you guys enjoyed this is just going to configure and just reboot. Let it. You always want to let your laptops reboot right after you've installed them. Right after you've installed Linux. Once you do so by this effect, log in, have some fun, and enjoy a really fast desktop machine. With that being said, if you guys want help, I'll leave a link in the description below for my Facebook page. I'll also leave a link in the description below for my website if you guys want to help. Contribute to the Facebook pages and the website's development. You can send me messages there, or you can order a service. Right now I have a very unique offer going on my Facebook page.
If you buy the parts, I'll assemble the system for you for $200 maximum. Hurry, this service won't last long and I'm ceasing it at the end of February. Anyway guys, this is Nick from the Bean Tech Solutions signing off. Please give me a like and a sub, share this around with your friends and family. And thanks very much for watching. Peace out.